The Delhi airport, after winning the award for the best airport in the Asia Pacific category, is now going in for an overhauling. We're talking about revamping the Delhi airport in order to make it global. It is achieving for an international hub status, and that it will be achieved soon. That is what airport authorities are saying. Now, the Delhi airport meets its global criteria, and we are in fact talking about 70 international destinations that are going to be linked to expanding the reach as far as the Asia Pacific region is concerned, improving transfer as far as commuter experience is concerned, and reducing the terminal gap distance between one terminal and the other, while increasing bus frequency. And in order to know what's going to be as far as what's going to be taking place as far as the expansion plans are concerned, it's over to my colleague Anushka, who spoke with the authorities at the airport.
Delhi Airport is looking to expand its operations within. We're being joined by the CEO of DIAL GMR, Mr. Vidya Kumar Jaipuria. Thank you for speaking to NDTV, sir. Sir, first off, looking to become a global hub, please tell us more about the future plans.
In terms of future plans, we are looking at improving more and more transfer passengers. So over the last 2 years, we have seen a good increase in this, and that is basically supported by the number of long-haul destinations that we have been able to connect to. We are already connected to about 70 international destinations. And in fact, in terms of number of flights to Europe as well as to North America, we are better connected than some of the better-known international hubs in the Southeast region. And we are now looking at expanding our reach to even Asia Pacific, that is Australia as well as New Zealand. So that is one. Second thing is about improving the facility. So recently we had expansion of airport where we have improved our area for international to international transfer, because India being at the center of some of the flows, say from Southeast Asia to Europe, we see a good amount of traffic actually increasing in that route. So whether it is from Singapore to India to Europe, so that is where we had expanded the facility 3 times.
So speaking of traffic, how do you plan on reducing the passenger connectivity time as well as the baggage connectivity?
In terms of passenger connectivity time inside the same terminal, I think we are good in terms of benchmark other airports. Inter-terminal connectivity is something that in the short time we are increasing our bus frequency, as well as we have equipped all our airside buses with an IoT device which actually tells you in your waiting lounge that when is the next bus arriving. So typically we are looking at making it less than 10 minutes wait time for passenger transferring between one terminal to another.